how to find help and feedback on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find help and feedback easy and quick on your Likee app. So first thing, go to your Likee. All you need to do now is click on those three lines and click on setting at the bottom. And here you have help and feedback. Click on it. Wait for a second. And this is it. This is how you can find your problem solution on Likee app. If you didn't find your problem here because there is a lot of questions, click here and tap your issues. Now click, if this doesn't help, click on feedback and you can write your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and like.